The future with going to is a simple and effective way to express plans or intentions. We form it using the verb to be plus going to and the base form of the main verb. For example, I am going to travel shows a clear intention to travel in the future. This structure is used when we have made a decision before speaking, or when we predict something based on current evidence. For instance, if you see dark clouds, you might say, "It is going to rain." Let's look at a few more examples. She is going to start a new job next month, or they are going to visit their grandparents this weekend. Each sentence clearly indicates a future action. So remember, when you want to talk about your future plans or predictions, just use going to and keep it straightforward.